I can't resist adding one more video. I don't like doing videos in little segments like this, but as I had mentioned before, my computer broke. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. Just gorgeous. It makes me want to start the garden. It makes me want to start the garden. This looks delicious. So now it gets scooped out of the skin. You don't use the skin at all. And the recipe, the woman who wrote the recipe had a couple of different ways to make a puree out of it, but she was saying that you have to kind of, even after you make a puree, you have to compress it to get more liquid out of it and dry it out just a little bit. But if I'm going to eat this, I'm going to scoop some out, put it in a bowl, put some butter and brown sugar on it, and have a great treat, a great meal. Wonderful. I think I'm hooked on pumpkins.